In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump right in. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project so you can see your sequence in the program monitor. Below the video preview, you'll notice a small plus icon on the right side of the transport controls. Click that plus button. This opens the button editor, which is where you can customize the controls that appear under the preview window. Inside the button editor, look for the Loop Playback button. It's the icon that looks like a circular arrow, and it tells Premiere to repeat playback automatically. When you find it, click and drag it down into the toolbar area that's highlighted below the preview. You're simply placing the loop playback control where you can access it quickly while you edit. Once it's in the toolbar, you'll have a dedicated control for looping your timeline during playback. Now set the range. Premiere will loop. Drag your playhead to the end of your video and press O on your keyboard. This sets the out point, which marks where playback should stop before looping back. If you haven't set an in point, Premiere will treat the beginning of the timeline as the in by default, so it will loop from the start to the out point you just defined. If you already had an in point somewhere earlier, Premiere will loop between that in and your new out. From here, press play to preview. With the loop playback control available on your toolbar, Premiere will repeat the section between your in and out points, which is perfect for checking timing, transitions, or animations without constantly rewinding. If you ever need to adjust the loop range, just move the playhead and press O again to update the out point. A few quick tips for clarity. Make sure you click the plus icon in the program monitor, not the timeline. The button editor only appears for the preview window's controls. If you don't immediately spot the loop playback icon, hover over each button to see its name. And if your timeline isn't repeating, verify that you have an out point set at the end, since that defines the loop boundary. That's it. You've added the loop playback control to your toolbar and set a loop range so you can review your video seamlessly.